AI crypto tokens have been massive here to start 2023, and a lot of this surrounding ChatGPT, right? You've probably heard about it. Well, now ChatGPT-4, a new model, has sparked even a bigger rally in AI crypto tokens. We're going to take a look at some of the top AI crypto tokens by market cap. I'll list off some of the ones that I personally like. There's just a ton of them out there, just a ton of uh, AI cryptos that are going to explode, in my opinion. Finding the right gems, right? You got to sift through a lot of them, probably have a couple losers, but there's going to be some big winners in there. And when you really look at this new sector, there's going to be, I think, in this next bull run, a couple different sectors that are going to blow up. I think AI is one of them. I think gaming is one of them. And I think enterprise. Those three in particular that haven't seen a huge rise just yet: gaming, enterprise, and AI, right? Now, all that along with, the layer ones, the layer twos, the community tokens, all of those will come back, in my opinion, as well, and be a big deal. But AI cryptos are very, very early phases here. But we're going to talk about why this new ChatGPT or GPT-4 model has sparked a bigger rally in AI crypto tokens. Before we do, let's take a look at some of the top tokens by market cap in the AI sector. So top AI and big data tokens by market cap. This overall space right now is about a $5.3 billion market cap. Okay. The graph is number one, ranked number 41 on the big board by market cap, sitting there at 1.3 billion. The graph has been around for quite a long time. It's one of the OGs in this space. Singularity Net has gained a ton of exposure. They partnered with Cardano recently to start the year. They are sitting at number 75. Then we have the Render token sitting at $1.35. Now, both of these, Singularity Net and Render, not yet to $1 billion market cap. Singularity Net right around 600 million. Render right around 500 million. Then you've got Fetch AI, which is ranked number 100 right now. This had a massive run up as well to start 2023. They're sitting at a $344 million market cap. Oasis right here, 328 million. We've heard a lot about Ocean Protocol, 236 million. But look at all of these. I mean, you start going down this list, there are some of these smaller cap plays and even some of these low, market cap, like in the 3 million, 2 million, 1 million. You want to really find some gems, I'd go hunting down in here. I mean, there's just tons and tons and tons. So right now they're listing about 156 AI big data tokens on CoinMarketCap. I think this list is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, probably 5x the amount of AI tokens when we get into next year this time. I truly believe that, because the opportunities here are massive for big data and AI projects to develop on the blockchain. But coming back to this new ChatGPT or GPT-4 model, what actually happened here and why is this sparking a little rally in the AI sector? Well, ChatGPT is continuing to dominate the tech space, with OpenAI announcing recently that it had released GPT-4, which is a new model that brings many improvements. And I was actually listening to a podcast not too long ago. It was Lex Friedman on Joe Rogan. He said, wait until you see GPT-4. It's going to blow your mind. It's not even anything we've ever even imagined before, what these tools can do. The startup states that GPT-4 is more capable than its predecessor, which is GPT 3.5, because it offers better reliability, creativity, and handling of nuanced instructions. Now, among the new features that the new model is going to offer includes the ability to understand images. For example, a user could pass an image containing several ingredients, and the AI would respond with the possible food dishes they could be used in. ChatGPT will also have a, quote, better memory and can process up to 25,000 words. OpenAI, in which Microsoft invested $10 billion into, is the talk of the tech world right now. There's nothing even close. Many rival companies are beginning their own projects in AI as well. This is why I think the crypto sector is massive, has a massive opportunity in terms of this area, AI and big data. Some challenges and pitfalls still exist, right? With any new technology, but it hasn't stopped millions of users from flocking to this new application, and millions of investors looking to get in early into some of these great projects, whether it's Fetch AI, Singularity Net. Those are some of my favorites, Render, as well as, the graph. Now, teachers have warned against using ChatGPT, especially since the model has proven itself extremely capable at several different kind of exams. It's pretty crazy. You can have ChatGPT write your entire English paper, and it's pretty good. You just literally give it a prompt and let it go. I've actually used it to write a couple scripts for me when I'm talking about something on YouTube. Now, obviously, I don't script a lot of my content, so but for those who do, I mean, it's perfect, right? I mean, if you're like a news anchor where they're literally just reading off a teleprompter, you could put in the story and it'll just spit out a prompt. I mean, it'll spit out the whole form in a perfect format, right, for you right there. Now, AI has steadily increased in importance over the years, but here in 2023 is shaping up as one of the most critical years yet. The crypto industry has taken note with several projects showing growth since the start of the year, and we just kind of listed a few of those. And when we look at that sector, I think it's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. The graph, SingularityNet, Render, Oasis, Fetch, some of those top 4 or 5 in this area. The growth hasn't been limited just to the last day or last week either. We've started seeing this really burst onto the scene at the start of the year, and it is steadily continued here throughout 2023. So this looks to be the sector to watch right now this year, right now, as AI continues to become a bigger part of our world. Keep your eye on these various tokens in this space. And, what I'm doing right now is looking for entry points. I'm looking for these cryptos to pull back, consolidate a little bit, and then find some gems that I really like. I really like SingularityNet, Fetch, and the graph right now. Those are my top 3. Not financial advice, but those are my top 3 right now that I'm eyeing. So appreciate you guys as always, and we will see you in the next video.